I think I mentioned that while Dr. Patel is new as a governor, but he is not new for RBI. One. Second, since in his present role as Deputy Governor of RBI, he is in charge of monetary policy, which was already at the central stage and forefront of all the inflation or whatever, interest rate related, monetary policy related activities. So, taking that perspective, this is a work in progress, and it would be reasonable to expect that there would be a continuity. I think you should reserve this question. It would be a very good question to put to the new governor when you first time address him. In a lighter vein, see, creation of monetary policy has two legs. One is residing in Mumbai, one is residing in Delhi. I think Mumbai leg is already known to you. So I think Delhi leg I should ask you rather than you asking me. That is what I am telling. No, this is exactly what I am telling. This is
one question on the you are going to review. There's going to be a review for the PSU banks on September 6th.
Yeah.
After the Q1 performance, I mean, now that most of the results are out, how do you see the NPA situation? Do you think the NPA maximally bottomed out at this point of time?
I did mention earlier a few days back also the results which are known is a mixed kind of trend. When I look at individual results, quite clearly there are a number of banks for whom it appears that the worst is over. But then there are other banks, I think, where they are still in middle of it, and they would need to do some more work before they get out of it.
So far, only 13 banks have been recapitalized. What about the other banks? What is the RBI's assessment of the situation with respect to recapitalization?
25,000 crores is slightly less given that.
I think it has become quite a worn-out question earlier also that while the government has done initial allocation, government and finance minister had indicated at that point of time also that if there is a need, government would be, at least think are ready to about providing the additional capital. So, as far as the present situation is concerned, I think most of the banks are adequately capitalized to take care of the minimum regulatory requirement. We'll keep a watch. Government is also constantly reviewing it.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.